Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm doing a quick and super practical DIY project. We're turning an old vape battery into a tiny, fully functional power bank using just a 3D printed case and a simple module. If you've ever wanted to give your old vape gear a second life, this one's for you. Let's get right into it. So here's how it started. I was browsing through STL files online, just casually scrolling through 3D models, when I found a design for a micro power bank case, small, clean, and just right for a single cell battery. Immediately, I thought of the old vape battery I had tucked away in a drawer. First things first, I took apart the vape. Now, these vapes are actually pretty easy to disassemble if you've got a small screwdriver and a bit of patience. Once I had the cell out, I checked the voltage and made sure it was safe to reuse. Next, I soldered the battery leads to the power bank module. It was a snug fit, just as designed. I secured it with a little hot glue to keep everything in place. I gotta say, the design is really clever, compact, portable, and no wasted space. Let's talk performance. This little battery has 400 mAh of capacity, not a lot, but perfect for small jobs. Topping up your vape in a pinch. Giving your smartphone a few % boost. Powering a mini flashlight. Or even running a small DIY project for a short while. It's not meant to replace your main power bank, but it's an awesome little emergency backup or travel gadget. Plus, it weighs almost nothing. Also, if you're planning to carry this in your bag or pocket, maybe add a little heat shrink or insulating tape around the USB port area just for peace of mind. And there you have it. A tiny DIY power bank made from recycled parts and a quick 3D print. Super fun to build, super handy to have, and great for practicing your soldering skills. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future builds. I've got more awesome low-budget electronics projects coming your way soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.